Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add photo on keyboard on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the keyboard on your smartphone. Now just tap on the settings icon on your keyboard. From here, just tap on theme. Now to add a photo on your keyboard, just tap on the plus icon over here. Now from here, just select any photo from your gallery app. Just like that. Now from here, just select the part of the photo you want to set on your keyboard. And once you select the part of the photo, just tap on next. Now from here, you can adjust the brightness of the image in the background. Just like that. Now once you're satisfied with the brightness adjustment, just tap on done. Now from here, if you disable this toggle, it will disable the borders on the keys on your keyboard. Now I will disable this toggle. Now just tap on apply. Now if you go back and open the keyboard on your smartphone, you can see that we have successfully set a photo on the keyboard. And this is how you can add photo on keyboard on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.